Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 BMW X1. So any settings here, you've got menu button up there, click on menu and you've got telephone over here. So if we click on these buttons here, activate or pair telephone, and then you've got BT over here. So if I click, you've got back there, which is that one, and BT there. So if I click BT, you've got delete, search, help, but it's showing my phone here. I want to delete it. See Barry's iPhone there. So delete, yes, click yes. That's it again. Another one, delete, yes, delete, yes, delete. And plenty of phones in that family. So that's it, and then we just click back and you're back to the main screen. Simple system to use, and a good system too. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 BMW X1.